Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Charlotte. Rockin with Charlotte. Today we are going to be making allergy-free donuts, vegan donuts. You can say them however you want. And I'm going to be telling you step by step how to make them. And also guys, click that red button below that says subscribe and make it turn gray. Also like the video. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so right now you're going to preheat your oven to 350. And remember, ask an adult to help you because ovens can be really hot and dangerous. Okay, so you're going to need a bowl, a whisk, and some cooking oil, and then you're going to spray your donut pan. Okay, so we already have 1 cup of flour, and any flour is okay, and ½ cup of sugar, and we decided to do brown sugar and white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and ½ teaspoon cinnamon. Okay, so 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of oat milk. You can use any kind of dairy-free milk you want, your choice. So instead of eggs, we're going to use a tablespoon of applesauce. And in this black spoon, you're going to be having 1 tablespoon of vegan butter spread melted. And last for the vegan donuts is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you're going to use your 5 dry ingredients, and that would be flour, sugar, and baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. And then you're going to pour them into this. And you gotta whisk because you want to take those dry ingredients and mix them together. Now you're going to add your wet ingredients. You gotta be really careful with these two. Don't want to rush. Now this one I really have to be careful. Oh. So your batter, you want to make sure it's not thick or thin. So you're going to spoon the batter and you're going to put it into the donut pan. But be careful, don't fill it all the way because if you do, the donuts are going to overflow. Now an adult is going to put it in the oven and it should be on 350 degrees. For 9 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. So now while we wait for our donuts to cool off, here are the toppings. So you're going to take the donuts when they're done cooling off and dip them into the melted butter. And then you're going to dip them into the cinnamon and sugar mixed together. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to dip the donuts in when they're cold. Hey guys, that's the end of our recipe for vegan sugar cinnamon donut recipe. But before we end the video, I wish there was someone who can taste these donuts with me. Yummy. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!